Hey everybody, have you ever had difficulty keeping your New Year's resolutions? AKA something good that you want to keep doing or start doing or even stop doing, but not really been able to keep it? It's all about habits. And in this month's RDI Lunch and Learn, we covered James Clear's fantastic book called Atomic Habits. And basically, it has a really great scheme for breaking bad habits and keeping and developing good habits. You can see today I've got a bit of a change of scenery, walking around the neighborhood on this beautiful autumn sunny day. So this is where we are for today's walk and talk. Basically, one of the big takeaways that I got from Atomic Habits is that there's kind of 4 stages to the human interaction around some kind of stimulus. There is a cue, so that is the notification or realization of something. Then there is the craving, so the reaction that creates. There is then the response, which is of course what you do, and there is the reward. So if it's something positive, a good habit, then you get that reward, you get that satisfaction, you smoke that cigarette, or you have that drink, whatever it might be. And so quite simply, with these 4 stages, you can make it easier or harder to move through those 4 stages. And the great example that I had was actually with my difficulty of keeping working out on a regular basis. So what I did last year is I made it incredibly obvious and easy for me to do my workouts, and I got a reward through the community that I joined. So actually F45 is the program that I follow. I chose a location right around the corner from my office, so it's super easy. I have the app front and center on my phone, so it's always there to remind me. And the community of which F45 has continues to support and encourage me to keep going. So I was able to start a good habit and also maintain it. And so I really want to encourage anybody who's not checked out Atomic Habits. If you're not a big reader, jump on the audiobook. If you're not a fan of audiobooks, jump on a video on YouTube. I'm sure you can find a summary about it there and enjoy. So best of luck everybody with the breaking of those bad habits and the developing of those good habits. Take care.